3022 Northwest 72nd Street. This is pulling back from the city main through interior cleanout. This is post cabling to open the line for flow. So we've run water in the house and we can see that it's making it all the way down to the city. The exterior liner and all the plastic looks like it's in excellent condition. The cause of the blockage was actually due to a root that is growing right at the transition where the cast iron turns into the plastic. So we will try to address that. We'll get a cable back on it, try to cut out a little bit more. If that does not remedy the issue, then we will recommend a jetting to remove the roots.